Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another Sunday Funday Watchface review. And we got another Watchface by Papy. Papy is also giving away some more free Watchface codes, so thank him in the door. And I'm grateful that he allows me to review these awesome Watchfaces that we've been reviewing lately. Now, I do have another giveaway coming right behind this one, so you are going to get a double dose, and they're going to be really close together. Now, the second one, I need for you to watch the video right away. So as soon as it hits your inbox, watch it. I got three Watchface codes that I need to give away today for Canada and the United Kingdom. They have 3, and then I have 2 for the US. So comment right away on the second Watchface review. Cool? All right, you all. With that, let's get started with this Funday Sunday Watchface review. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, we got another watch face by Papy. Papy is steady getting down on these watch faces, right? And the name of the watch face is called PW48. Now, in always on mode, you're gonna get your digital time, you're gonna get some info on your step activity, everything you need to see at a glance that's important to you. But when the watch face is on, here's where you can see what Papy put in work at. I like the design. I'm loving the layout of this watch face. I don't know about you, but we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go through the review. Let's check this out. At the top, you get the year. Over from there is giving you how many days we are within the year and also how many weeks we are in the year. And that's important to some people, and I'm loving it. But right up under there, you get your weather, and you also get your music player. If you tap on it, it looks small, but if you tap on it, listen, it's quick, fast, precise. And also, I'm loving the curvature right here. This is what caught my attention. He just didn't leave icons there for us to tap into to get the information. He gave us the icons, and you get the layout of the digital information so far as your heart rate, miles walked or ran, calories burned, and your steps, all the things that are important to most people who wear watch faces today. And down at the bottom, you're gonna get your layout of your shortcuts. You can make a phone call. You can even check your email right from here. All the important things that you need, text messages, if you need to send a text message or read a text message, it is right here. Now, I'm liking the digital time. The digital time looks good, and you also get your month, your date, and the day. And I like the fact that the day is spelled out and not abbreviated. That is a good look to me. Now, you can also customize the color. It has 11 in all. Just simply double tap, cycle through all the different colors this watch face has to offer, and stop on the one you like, or stop on the one that you're going to color coordinate for the day. If you're going out on the run and you got your jogging outfit on, or whatever outfit you may have on, you may want to customize. So I like what Papy brought to the table with this watch face. Definitely it stands out amongst the crowd, and yeah, I think it's worth the download. Check this out in the Gear Manager store. And you know what else I like? I like the fact that Papy is making it affordable as well. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and don't forget to comment to participate in the giveaway that we're having for this watch face. And don't forget that the watch face that's coming from behind this one, the giveaway is going to be today, so you need to comment right away. All right, you all, that's it. I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.